For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a very easy appetizer that is called Zucchini Fritters. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for corn zucchini fritters are maida, warm water, zucchini, sweet corn, basil leaves, pepper, oregano, chilli flakes, salt, flaxseed powder. First we will take 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder. All I have done is take normal flaxseed and then just mixy it, and we will put that into warm water. So take 2 tablespoons warm water. Just mix it. And we will keep it aside. First we will take 2 cups shredded zucchini. We will add 1 cup boiled sweet corn and just mix this once. Add 2 tablespoons basil leaves, salt as per your taste, half tablespoon chilli flakes, half tablespoon oregano, 1 teaspoon pepper and half cup maida. If the zucchini releases excess water, then just add extra maida. Once it's semi-mixed, we will add the flaxseed mixture. So you have to allow the flaxseed with water mixture to rest at least for 10 minutes. So this is going to help as a binding agent. I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons of maida because zucchini has released some water from it. Don't over mix it. This is done. Now we will move on to the next step. So take a small portion and just roll it and make a patty. So the size will depend on y'all how big or small y'all want it to be. Just apply little olive oil and just put it. So this is an instant appetizer. You just can't mix everything, keep it in a refrigerator or outside and then make a patty, because zucchini will release all the excess water and you will have to keep adding flour. So you don't want that much flour in your fritters. So just make the batter and do it immediately. So roast this until it's golden brown on both the sides. And we will again apply some oil. Serve it with mayonnaise or satay. Our corn zucchini fritters are ready. I hope you all like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe.